Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the computer networking. As you all aware, today we are living in the era of information technology, and sharing of information and also sharing of the available information technology resources are important for the minimizing the cost and also to faster access of information and sharing of information among the different actors. And hence the objectives of this study unit is to understand the meaning of computer networking and also basic networking concepts. Along with that, we also studied the network topology and types of network. And computer network, a computer network is a interconnected computers which are capable of sharing meaningful information with one another. And generally these computer networks has the two component, one is node, another one is links. Node is any computer or digital device using the network called node. The physical connection, either wired or wireless, that carries the messages between nodes is called link. And generally this computer networking is two important purposes, two important advantages it gives for us. One is data sharing, another one is resource sharing. In data sharing, computer network provide faster and easier access and sharing of data and information among the connected computers or devices. And in resource sharing, computer networks also facilitate the resource sharing. For example, a single printer can be connected and used by many computers used in the network. The same way, there may be server computers that will be networked to use the different software application in the organization. This will minimize the cost of spending on IT. And there are some basic networking concepts like client and server, hub, switch and routers. Client and server is the relationship between two computers. The client makes the service request from the another program, the server, which fulfills the request of the client. And another one is important networking concept is hub. Hub is a central connecting hardware device in the computer network. Switch is another one is after the hub, there is next one is switch. Switch is used for the network of multiple computers which are going to be connected in the computer network. Another one is router. Router is designed to take the incoming packets and directing and moving the packets for another location in another computer network. There are different types of topology of network topologies are available. Generally, network topology refers to a layout of a network and how different nodes in a network are connected to each other and how they communicate each other. That one explained by network topology. There are some prominent network topologies are bus topology, star topology, tree topology, ring topology and mesh topology. Bus topology is a network. In the network, each computer is connected to a single communication cable via an interface, and every computer can directly communicate with each other. The bus is a single pair or a bunch of wires that carry the electrical signals. And again this bus topology, the individual nodes are connected to the bus using a passive tape such that all the systems are able to monitor the signal on the bus simultaneously. Another topology is star topology. In star topology, each node, it may be file server, it may be workstation or peripherals, is connected directly to a central network, hub or switch or concentrator. Data on star network passes through the hub before continuing to its final destination. The hub or switch manages or controls all the functions of the network. It also acts as a repeater for the data flow. And another topology is ring topology. In a ring network, every device has exactly two neighbors for communication purpose. All messages travel through a ring. in the same direction. It may be clockwise or counterclockwise. And again there is a disadvantage, a failure in any cable or a device breaks the loop and can take down the entire network in the ring topology. Another is tree topology. A tree topology combines characteristics of a linear bus and star topologies. These two topologies combines and produces the tree topology. It consists of groups of star configured workstations connected to a linear bus with a backbone cable. Tree topologies allow for expansion of an existing network and enable the network to reconfigure to meet the increasing needs of the clients or organizations or the person, those who are using this type of topology. And another important topology is mesh topology. Mesh topologies involve the concept of routes. Unlike each of the other previous topologies, messages sent on a mesh network can take any of several possible paths from the source to destination. For example, some wide area networks, most notably the internet widely used today, the internet employ the mesh routing. That means the information travels all possible paths to give the faster access to the information. And again a mesh network in which every device connects to every other is called a full mesh. And apart from topology, there are popularly known some of the networks, like depending upon the geographical area covered by the network, it is classified as local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network and personal area network. Local area network, LAN is a network that is used for communicating another computer devices and usually within an office or building or inside the home. This is a small area network, and again this local area network is a network that is used for communicating among computer devices usually within the office or the particular building or the home. It is a small geographical area and limited space. It enables the sharing of resources such as files, hardware devices that may be needed by multiple users, and it is limited in size, typically spanning few hundred meters and not more than a mile. And another one is metropolitan area network. MAN is a large computer network that usually spans a city or a large campus. It connects the big campus or entire city. It is optimized for a large geographical area than a LAN, ranging from several blocks or buildings to entire city. It is often acts as a high speed network to allow sharing of regional resources. It typically covers an area between 5 and 50 kilometer diameter. And another one is wide area network. It covers a large geographical area such as country or continent or even whole world. It is two or more LANs connected together. The LANs can be many miles apart. To cover great distances, wide area network may transmit data over leased high speed phone lines or wireless links such as satellites. Again, this wide area network, multiple LANs can be connected together using devices such as bridges, routers or gateways, which enable them to share data. The world's most popular wide area network is the internet. And another one is personal area network. It is a network that used for the communicating among the computers and computer devices, including telephones, on a close proximity of around a few meters within a room. It can be used for communicating between the devices themselves or for concentrating to a large network such as the internet. It can be wired or wireless. And this personal area network is a computer network used for communication among the computer devices, including telephones and personal digital assistants in proximity to an individual's body. The reach of personal area network is typically is a few meters. And apart from these networks, in recent past there is wireless sensor networks are revolutionizing the way we communicate, ways getting the data or sharing the data. Wireless sensor network is a promising technology to address some of the issues like soil management, pest management, water management, yield estimation, precision agriculture, and macro and micro climate monitoring. In the era of climate change, these wireless sensor networks are playing predominant role to collect the data and store the data and also transmit the data to the different stakeholders, especially in agriculture. These wireless sensor networks consist of tiny devices called modes, capable of sensing the environment surrounding them like soil temperature and weather parameters, and then they process the data and it will communicate it in the sensed information to collaborate or self-organize and power efficient manner. The system architecture of wireless sensor network deployment consists of group of modes sensing the environment in which they have been deployed and communicate the sensed data to a central location from where the data can be stored or further processed to pave the way for new and interesting applications in the agriculture and agriculture development. To sum up, from this session we discussed about the importance of networking like data sharing and resource sharing, and also basic networking concepts such as client, server, hub, switch and router. Further, we also discussed about the network topologies such as bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology and mesh topology, which were used for the communicating the information. And further, we also discussed about the computer network based on geographical area covered by a particular network. For example, in smaller areas, personal area network, local area network, that is popularly we used to call as LAN, and another one is metropolitan area network. It covers large cities like MAN, and another one is wide area network, popularly called as WAN. It is one of the internet is the one of the important example of wide area network, and another one is personal area network in a small place to cover the network with the other instruments or devices of digital devices. And thank you for your listening, and I hope you all understood the basic concept of computer networking and also topology associated with that. For any further information, please consult Manage website or the reference material which were provided by the Manage. Thank you.